Homeowners, what if I told you you could save money just by being comfortable? Over $1,000 a year. And you could be part of a club of wizards. You probably didn't think we were talking about heating and air, but we are. Think about your HVAC system like you would your car. If you didn't get your oil changed periodically, your car would
eventually stop working or cost you lots of money to fix.
Thanks, AI. With the Service Wizards membership, we'll come out up to twice a year to do the tune-ups. Once in the spring, and once in the fall. Plus, we have other amazing perks that will keep you comfortable and save you money all year long. Like choosing your own technician. Choose me. I'm the magical one. So join the club. We are the hottest and coolest people in town. So it's a good club to be in.